In this video, I'll be providing a short tutorial on how to remove the background of your photo. Before I start, welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Learning, and on this channel, I typically provide tutorials on technology, AI, and more. If you're looking to learn some fun stuff, then I want to encourage you to stick around and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post out new content. So in today's tutorial, I'm just going to be using one tool, and the tool is remove.bg. To be able to access this tool, you simply need to go to remove.bg in your browser, and then you'll be able to access this tool. You don't need to sign up, you don't need to log in if you want to remove the background from image, 100% free. You don't need to pay for it as well. So to start with, you first need to have an image which you want to remove. You don't already have an image which you'd want to remove the background for, then you can just go to Pixabay. You can type pixabay.com in your browser, and then you have access to a lot of free high quality images. Now in this case, I already have an image ready that I want to remove the background for. There are a few ways in which I can bring the image onto remove.bg into the wireframe here. The first way is to either upload the image directly from my computer, or I can just drag the file into this wireframe, or I can just paste the image in here or use the URL. I'm just gonna upload the image in this case. I already have the image downloaded, so I'm just gonna bring this image into remove.bg. As you can see, it's gonna do its magic. You can see the background of the image has been removed, and I can just download it and put it into Canva to create a design out of it. Or light in remove.bg, I could add a background to the image so that it looks like she's standing somewhere else. Or I could essentially, like I said, go into Canva and create a design, or I can just erase and restore and start all over again. You can either download it in HD, or you can just download it with this resolution. So I'm just gonna click download. I'm gonna do another example for you. So I'm just gonna click on the add button here, select image again, and then it's gonna remove the background. As you can see, the background has been removed. I'm just gonna add a background so that it looks like she's doing this somewhere in a desert, or I can just do it here. As you can see, I changed the background as well, or I can just decide to leave it like this and download it or create a design in Canva. Or basically take this into Canva and add some finishing touches, increase the brightness, etc. Okay, this image has the background removed, so I'm just gonna download it. Anyways, that is it for today's video, and I know this was a really short and quick tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. And like I said, remove.bg is free, and you can just access it by going to remove.bg. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.